Hello dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to use Tamara as a payment method in Noon. So let's get started. First open Noon application, then browse product which you want to buy. Remember that for using Tamara as a payment method you have to order minimum 100 dirham. Okay, so click on your product, then add to cart, then view cart. From here you have to click on checkout. Now scroll down a little bit, then you can find many payment option. Simply click on Tamara. Okay, now you can see Tamara has been successfully selected as a payment method. Then simply click on slide to order button, then your order will be confirmed. Okay, so guys, if you think this video was helpful, please make sure you subscribe to my channel.